online course on Python for computer vision. This course is your best resource for learning how to use the Python programming language for computer vision applications. Popular platforms in the world are generating never-before-seen amounts of image and video data. The computer vision industry is estimated to grow to over $18 billion by 2023 and is one of the fastest-growing fields. With this course, you can invest in yourself for some of the future's most in-demand skills. Computer vision allows us to analyze and leverage image and video data with applications in a variety of industries. Computer vision has applications in object detection and recognition, self-driving cars, automated stores, object tracking, medical imaging, and much more. In this course, we will teach you the latest state-of-the-art technologies in computer vision, including the popular OpenCV library and Python. We'll also use the latest deep learning technologies such as Keras and TensorFlow to perform object recognition and classification. Let's take a look inside the course to see everything you're going to learn. We'll start the course by learning about numerical processing with the NumPy library and how to open and manipulate images with NumPy. Then we'll move on to using the OpenCV library to open and work with image basics. We'll start to understand how to process images and apply a variety of effects, including color mappings, blending, thresholds, calculating edges, gradients, and much more. That is YOLO, the You Only Look Once Deep Learning Network. This course is designed to be a complete reference and resource, so you don't need to worry about trying to find what you're looking for across scattered online documentation. We've designed the course to have clear sections, so you can reference what you need quickly. You'll also have plenty of opportunities to test your new skills, with each section having assessment projects and exercises. Each lecture has corresponding high-definition video, clearly commented code notebooks, and explanatory theory slides. We'll focus on developing real-world applications so you can quickly apply your skills to your own problems. With this course, not only do you get great technical content, but you'll also get access to our online question and answer forums and student chat channels, where teaching assistants and I are always happy to help you out in case you get stuck. At the end of the course, you'll get a certificate of completion that you can post to your LinkedIn profile that you can show off to your colleagues and potential employers. So what are you waiting for? Become a leader in one of the most interesting fields of today and tomorrow. I'll see you inside the course.